Acknowledging pets' birthdays is a wonderful way to strengthen client relationships and show you care about their pets. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Navigate to the Reports tab in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Pet Birthdays to access the Pet Birthday Report. By default, the report displays pets with birthdays on the current date and includes all client areas, and displays both estimated and actual dates of birth. You can customize the report using various filters. To filter by client area, click the All Client Areas drop-down and select the desired area. To view birthdays within a specific time frame, select a custom date range or use quick options like this week or this month. To filter by date type, click the Estimated and Actual drop-down and choose your preference. When your client is unsure of the exact date of birth of their pet, they can give an estimate. You might then choose not to send pet birthday messages to clients that have estimated their pet's date of birth. The report now reflects your specified criteria. To send birthday emails, select the clients by checking the boxes next to their names. You can choose individual clients or select all. Once you've made your selections, click the Email button. In the email window, select a preloaded email template, such as your pet birthday template. Top tip: if you want to edit this template to save for future use, you can do so by navigating to Admin, and then select Supporting Data, and finally go to Email Templates. The template will automatically insert relevant details like the pet's name and client's name using merge codes. After reviewing the email content, click Email Clients to send the birthday message. Great job! By following these steps, you can effortlessly acknowledge pets' birthdays, enhancing client engagement and satisfaction. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.